Real Madrid kuchuana na Barcelona katika dimba la El Clasico, japo mchuano huo hautachezewa nchini Uhispania. Arsenal, kati ya Arsenal na Man U, ama kati ya Man U na Arsenal, ni gani kali kati ya Man U na Arsenal? Dimba la FA weekend. Alafu hapa nchini ama ugenini Zanzibar, kisiwa cha Zanzibar, timu ya taifa Harambee Stars kabandulwa nje ya dimba la Mapinduzi, na wenyeji Zanzibar wanasema mchezo kwa utuzwa na hutunzwa. Ligi kuu ya Uingereza kufuziwa ngapi? Lopetegui nje, Steve Cooper nje, Gary O'Neil nje, Sean Dyche yazungumza hivyo nje, Russell Martin nje, na Erik ten Hag alibandulwa nje mapema. Kwa hivyo ni makufunzi wa ligi ya Uingereza ambao washaaga vilabu vyao msimu huu ambao ni mgumu sana kubashiri. Hujambo na karibu katika makala ya The Football Slip. Mimi ni wako Hassan Juma, na msipo peke yangu bali na wanahabari wenzangu ambao pia ni wachanganuzi. Roger Zishtemi Deule, karibu nikubatiza. Karibu.
Hassan, before even we go into Shtemi and Cedric, the coaches that you mentioned, are they being paid? You know, today I have money. Oh, it's all about money.
Which coaches?
Here comes the money. Sean Dyche, Lopetegui.
Yes.
Erik ten
Hag was paid.
Yes.
Sean Dyche, I doubt, because just yesterday.
Yes.
He was fired yesterday.
Lopetegui.
Not yet. Because he was fired, I think, 48 hours ago.
They normally say mutual consent. But of course, they have to buy the contract out.
Because the money is in the bank, so there's a bit of paperwork to be done.
Yes. I know, before we even get to Cedric Musumba, Roger Zishtemi. Oh, by the way, Roger Zishtemi is back. Last week you were asking where he was. Yes, we said ni Talanta Ibuka, ama Talanta Chipuka. Yes, alikuwa anacheza zile tournaments za mashinani.
Makina Masengeli?
Yeah. Top striker
Masengeli Cup.
Top striker Masengeli Cup, but we'll be coming back to him. And today we are privileged to have a lady in studio. Her name is Belinda Kome Kiplibo, right?
Yes.
Did I get it right?
Yes, you did.
Yes, and you're wondering why Belinda is here. And you're wondering why I have some coins. You know, normally in this show, we normally make predictions. And we normally tell people, if you follow what we say, you have to make sure that if you're betting, make sure that you do it.
Invest wisely.
Wisely.
Bro, coins, man.
But they're my coins.
I expect some notes.
But they're my coins. It's January.
It's in January.
Yes. Yes, Belinda is a financial
investment advisor.
Financial investment advisor. Yes. Your socials?
Belinda KK Advisor. You'll find me in X, you'll find me in IG and LinkedIn.
Yes. So Belinda, before, you know, we normally get we get into a lot of football talk in this show. But before we get into that, wacha tuingie kwa hii mambo ya yenye, you know, a lot of people have turned to betting because the economy, wanasema mfuko kidogo imewakaza. And most people don't bet wisely, because most of the time tumesikia mtu amepata pesa labda salary, anaweka yote kwa betting, inapotea, mtu anajiua. What will be your advice to people who, you know, wanataka waeke kitu kidogo hapa wapate, wanasema January ni iko na shida? What will you tell them?
I don't want to burn the business, but really, the first thing, anytime unalipwa,
yes,
ukienda utoe hata shilingi moja, umpatie yule.
Yes.
Kwa account yako nini happen?
Reduce na shilingi.
Kuvu hujajilipa. You've literally paid the other person.
Yes.
But we normally say, oh, you know, I'm treating myself, I'm doing this betting for whatever reasons. And they have very good reasons that people say they are betting for. But it's also good to put aside some money. And putting aside money, when you say putting aside, it looks very negative. But that's the only time you're paying yourself.
Yes.
Hiyo ndio wakati peke yake umejilipa.
Weka kando.
Kwa sababu ukiweka kando ni nani, vile ulisema hizo coins ni zako.
And
then ukiziweka kando, alafu hopefully uzieke kando mali ambayo zinajijenga polepole. You can come and take the extras. Hiyo yenye imejijenga alafu unabakisha bado ile ulikuwa umeweka kando. So investing wisely that's part of it.
Yes.
That you have gotten your 100. The 100 can be in multiples.
Yes.
But that 100 you put aside. And when you put aside, you just don't leave it there. Because if you leave it there, it will still remain there.
Yes.
You put it in investments that, if you can, and I promise you, you should keep them in as safe as possible investments, they start growing.
Yes.
When they start growing, now you can eat that growth. Yeah.
My friend Eshtebi here, kuna time alishinda milioni, but akasema kule ilienda. What would you advise people that, you know, people that win from betting, but they don't you know, invest properly with the money that they get, because wanasemanga what comes first also goes fast.
That's true.
Yes,
that's true. Whatever investment, whatever source the funds are, your funds are from, just go back to that simple concept.
Yes.
Put aside.
Yes.
Then when you put aside, don't leave it aside.
Yes.
Put it in another investment that will give you. There's a very common investment that has become quite common and popular in Kenya. The money market funds, they are regulated by
MMF.
authority, MMF. They give you an interest that's above inflation. And inflation being, anytime you have those coins, next year they won't buy the same things they could buy today. The purchasing power reduces.
Yes.
So when you put in something like an MMF, what you're doing is you're maintaining your money at the same level and adding an increase. So whether it's betting, whether it's income, wherever you've gotten it from,
yes,
put aside, if you can, 20%, if you can, even more. Yeah, because it's your money at the end of the day. You can come and withdraw at any one point.
Yes, by the way, Eshtemi ya kushinda 1 million, that was just a figure of speech.
Kuna vile amekuangalia.
It was just a figure of speech, because anaweza anza kupata simu saa hizi Eshtemi. Ile milioni ulikula peke yako.
Na uko na nini?
Uzuri Sado is a witness. So there's no way you can eat alone that 1 million.
Yes, Belinda, as we wrap this up, what is your advice to Kenyans out there now that we're in January? Everybody is saying that mfuko iko kidogo tight. As we wrap this up, what would be your advice to Kenyans?
3 things.
Yes.
Try to create an emergency fund. Especially if you have income, whatever income you have, try and cover 3 months at the beginning, because you never know when emergencies will come. And emergencies don't have to be bad things. It could be a good emergency.
Yeah.
Kuna kashamba kametokelezea and it's a quick sell.
Yes.
So if you have the cash, you will get it. Then so create the emergency fund, whether you earn 10,000 or $1 million, Bob, in between, please put that. Then have a sinking fund. Tuko January, tumetoka December ku spend pesa. You can start saving towards the money for December.
Yes.
Then you come and actually spend it and not feel the guilt, because you've set it aside all this month for this particular purpose, which is the sinking fund. And we spoke about that in the earlier segment of the show.
Yes.
Then lastly, think about your future. And your future is a retirement plan. Can I tell you 2,000 shillings can become $1 million in the next 10, 18 years?
Yes.
In a safe investment. Ye ujabet.
Yeah.
Umeka tu kwa investment hata ya 10%. Just putting 2,000 shillings. But how easy is it to bet 2,000? How is it to lose it? And how is it to finish it in a restaurant?
Very easy.
Very easy.
Yes.
But yet it's the same money that can give you $1 million in a few years. So put aside whatever level you're in. I talked about a 10,000 because Nina imagine 10,000 is income a lot of people are earning, and 1 million and above. In between, put aside emergency fund, create sinking funds. You know, we say we have nikona ka project kana niumiza. Put aside for the project before you start hata kama utakuwa umefikisha nusu. Then finally think about the long term, even if it's little that you're putting. Yeah.
So before I let you go, today you are in red. Which team do you support? Because behind us is a sea of red. There's Liverpool, there's Arsenal, there's Manchester United, Upper Chini. There's it's the same. Which team do you support? Doesn't have to be.
Before you answer that.
Yes.
Put this in mind. These are the biggest teams in England, right? The teams that are here are the small teams in England.
No, Manchester is not small.
No, Manu, I'm talking about Manu is over there.
But we have.
I'm talking about the teams that are here. So the teams that are here now.
Yes.
But there are teams that are here, but they're not here.
Yeah.
No, you're going to make it difficult for them to choose.
There are teams that are here, but
this one is
this one.
No.
Yeah.
Yes.
No,
Chelsea. The teams
Yeah.
So which team do you support?
Can I give a call to my home? I need to ask my sons.
Yes.
They will roast me.
Yeah.
But I hear them talking about a certain guy called
Yes.
Haaland. So I
Erling
will
Haaland.
pick this.
Definitely.
I will pick
Manchester
this.
City.
I need to sleep at home in peace.
And of course, earlier on you told me your sons also support Real Madrid.
They do. They
Yes,
do.
they are playing Barcelona on Sunday, which El Clasico. Who do you think will win?
Ooh, of course, it's my son's team that will win.
Real
Again,
Madrid.
I want to be safe.
Yes,
Yes.
the most successful club in Europe. That is Real Madrid. That's also Cedric's favorite club. Yes,
okay.
we'll be talking about it later in the show. Thank you very much, Belinda Koome Kiplimo, for giving us insights on, saving from the winnings that you get from the little money that you get from any income generating activity that you do, and make sure that, of course,